Turmeric is a common spice that comes from the root of curcuma longa. It contains a chemical called curcumin, which might reduce swelling. Turmeric has a warm, bitter taste and is frequently used to flavor or color curry powders, mustards, butter, and cheeses. Because curcumin and other chemicals in turmeric might decrease swelling, it is often used to treat conditions that involve pain and inflammation. Hello and welcome to my channel, where we explore the incredible healing properties of natural ingredients. Turmeric, also known as the golden spice, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine due to its potent medicinal properties. Let's explore the remarkable healing power of turmeric. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is known for its strong anti-inflammatory effects. Curcumin has been shown to help reduce inflammation in the body, which can be beneficial for individuals suffering from conditions such as arthritis, joint pain, and inflammatory bowel diseases like Crohn's or ulcerative colitis. Pain relief. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties also make it effective in alleviating pain. Studies have suggested that curcumin may help reduce pain associated with conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. It can be a natural alternative or complement to conventional pain medications. Boosts immunity. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body against free radicals and boost the immune system. The powerful antioxidants in turmeric can support overall immune health, helping the body fight off infections and diseases. Digestive health. Turmeric has been traditionally used to support digestive health. It can help relieve symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties may also help reduce inflammation in the gut and support conditions like inflammatory bowel disease. Brain health. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has shown promise in supporting brain health. It may help improve cognitive function, memory, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Turmeric's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties contribute to its brain protective effects. Heart health. Turmeric may also have positive effects on heart health. Curcumin has been shown to help improve cardiovascular function by reducing inflammation, lowering cholesterol levels, and improving blood vessel health. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can be beneficial for maintaining a healthy heart. Skincare. Turmeric can be beneficial for your skin as well. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help reduce acne, soothe skin irritations, and promote a healthy, radiant complexion. You can create a turmeric face mask or look for skincare products containing turmeric. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can be done in various ways. You can add it to your cooking, prepare turmeric teas or lattes, or even take turmeric supplements. Remember to choose high-quality sources of turmeric to ensure maximum benefits. As with any natural remedy, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using turmeric as a treatment, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. We hope you found this exploration of the healing power of turmeric enlightening. Have you tried turmeric in any of your natural remedies? Share your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on natural healing. Stay healthy, vibrant, and embrace the incredible benefits of turmeric. Until next time.